Braulio, ¿lechuga? No quiere. ¿Pollito?
Want broccoli? Broccoli.
Bella, do you like celery?
A lettuce. Excuse me? You don't want any? Would you like to just try it?
You want a treat? This or that, broccoli or celery. You can taste it. Good taste. Taste it. Good taste.
You hungry?
Yes, I am.
Me too.
I have a healthy snack for you. Here's some celery.
What it smell like?
That is not a snack.
Guys, my mom gave me this so-called treat earlier. This is not a treat. Like, go on, take the vegetable. Go on, take the vegetable.